Are you ready to dive into one of Nike's most popular lifestyle sneakers? Today, we're taking a closer look at the Nike Air Max 270, a sneaker known for its bold design and unbeatable comfort. Design and inspiration. The Nike Air Max 270, released in 2018, was inspired by two legendary Air Max models, the Air Max 180 and Air Max 93. What sets the Air Max 270 apart is its eye-catching 270-degree air unit, which is the tallest ever in Nike's history, standing at 32 millimeters. This oversized heel bubble gives the shoe its unique look and offers next-level cushioning, comfort, and performance. One of the standout features of the Air Max 270 is its comfort. The air-filled heel unit delivers unmatched cushioning, making it perfect for all-day wear. Whether you're running errands or just hanging out, you'll feel like you're walking on air. The dual-density foam midsole adds extra softness and flexibility, providing a smooth ride from heel to toe. The mesh upper ensures your feet stay cool and ventilated, while the booty-style construction gives a snug, sock-like fit. This combination of breathability and support makes the Air Max 270 ideal for both casual and light athletic activities. Style and versatility. But it's not just about comfort. The Nike Air Max 270 has a bold, modern look that makes it a style icon. Available in a wide range of colorways, from classic black and white to vibrant neons, there's a pair for everyone. Its sleek, sporty design pairs well with athleisure, casual streetwear, or even a more polished look. The exaggerated air unit at the heel adds a futuristic vibe, making the Air Max 270 a statement piece for any wardrobe. Whether you're hitting the gym or just stepping out for the day, these shoes make sure you look stylish while staying comfortable. Sustainability. Nike has also introduced sustainable versions of the Air Max 270, using recycled materials in some models as part of its Move to Zero initiative. This allows you to enjoy the shoe's signature style while reducing your environmental impact. Conclusion. The Nike Air Max 270 is more than just a sneaker. It's a combination of style, comfort, and performance. Whether you're an athlete, sneakerhead, or just looking for a reliable everyday shoe, the Air Max 270 has something to offer. Which colorway is your favorite? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more sneaker reviews.